Introducing the Galaxy Watch 3. Ooh, stunning, right? Inspired by classic timepieces, it's modern and sophisticated. And it comes with the precision rotating bezel, which only we offer. The bezel makes it easy to navigate your apps and control your music, just like this. There's something very satisfying about the way it clicks. It's lightweight, luxurious, and comes in 2 sizes and 3 colors. We even have a super premium titanium model, Mystic Black. The frame is smaller, slimmer, and lighter, while the display itself is bigger. And we've created a new range of beautiful watch faces. My all-time favorite, it's the Weather Center watch face. I am constantly checking the weather. I know this is a little crazy, but I have 3 apps on my phone just for the weather. Now, all I have to do is check my watch. It gives me constant updates of what the weather is, and it has awesome live animation. It's pretty amazing. Of course, this is something I like, but the advantage of our open platform is that we work with partners to offer you the largest watch face ecosystem in the industry. I know other smartphones are finally catching up and letting you make just a few selections, but I am here to tell you we're talking over 80,000 options. The way we see it, customization is just not good enough. It's time to truly personalize your watch. If you want to keep things real fresh here, the shuffle feature cycles through your favorite watch faces. You can even match them to your outfit. So all you have to do is take your phone and take a quick photo here. Just show some denim. Then all you have to do is go to the Wearables app, hit My Style, customize of course. We're going to go into the gallery, find the photo I just took of my denim shot, and then there's a ton of options. I'm liking, this one looks good. Done. Then you save, and voila. It detects the colors and creates watch face patterns that match my clothes. And now my outfit is complete. These days, taking care of my health has become really important, so it's nice to know that the Samsung Health Monitor on the Galaxy Watch 3 acts as my 24-hour health manager. We're bringing new tools to help regularly monitor your health, including ways to track blood pressure, ECG, and blood oxygen saturation. Here, let me show you how this works. You just have to go to your blood pressure, hit measure, and then stand really still. And that's it. Simple, right? To ensure accuracy, you should check your blood pressure with a traditional cuff and calibrate it at least once a month with the Samsung Health Monitor app. Measuring your ECG is really easy too. So again, you go back, open your app, and then you just lightly tap your finger on this button right here for just 30 seconds. That's it, and you're done. Keeping a log of things like your blood pressure and ECG is helpful. It creates a baseline for you, so you have more information and notice when things feel slightly off. Now, the watch is not a medical device by any means, right? But having these records right on your wrist and in your phone is incredibly helpful in monitoring your health. In Korea, blood pressure is already available today, and ECG will be coming real soon for both the Watch 3 and Watch Active 2. We're working to expand both features to more countries and devices. The Galaxy Watch 3 will also let you check your blood oxygen level. So we go to blood oxygen, hit measure, and that's it. Again, easy. It's a new addition to the overall health management options that give you just more control over your well-being. We launched our sleep monitoring feature 6 years ago, and we've been building on it ever since. It scores the overall quality of your sleep and gives you personalized recommendations so you can sleep better. The new Watch 3 also is great as a fitness buddy. I love to run, but just for fun. So I'm really excited to show you what it can do. So I will go to the running app here. Here we go. Just tap. 3, 2, 1. Let's go for a little run. Okay. See the finish line here. All right, and we're done. So I will hit pause, finish. And you can actually see all of my results of that very short run right here. Pretty neat, right? The Watch 3 gives me real-time feedback, tracking my pace and form based on my run. You can also set goals for yourself and see how far you ran. It definitely keeps me motivated and on my toes, especially when I'm running on my own and losing a little steam. And quite frankly, I don't want to have to carry my phone, but I still really want to listen to my music. Now, I can do that with just my watch and my buds. And there's a whole ecosystem of experiences when you pair it with your Samsung Smart TV. Let's check it out. So I'll set up my phone. Here we go, one moment please. And there you see it right on the screen. Watch 3 actually becomes a part of your personal training, just like this. So I will go to my fitness program. And Galpal's starting there, so let's get started, shall we? As I'm doing my squats here, it's really easy. All I have to do is just tap my watch to pause. Here we go. And then replay. Or even I can send a quick little reply to my friend's text, all without losing my rhythm. The Samsung Health app offers 120 professionally designed fitness programs, so you won't ever run out of exercises or get bored. Now, I'm going to let you enjoy the rest of Unpacked, and I'll be right here finishing out my workout.